How to set additional mouse button functions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top, and then from the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Then in here, we want to go down and tap on general management. Next, scroll down, then we tap on mouse and trackpad. Next, go down to the bottom. In here, you got the middle button. You can also assign functions to additional mouse buttons. If your mouse have more than 3 buttons, you can assign more functions to it. So here we got additional button 1. By default, it is set to back, and the other one is set to forward. But you can reassign it, so you can choose home, recent, back, view, notifications, or even open up an app that you like. So here are some of the apps that I have on my phone. I can ask it to open up, say, photos. So if you have an additional buttons, you can map it to your mouse, and then when you click on it, it will open up photos. And that's it. That is how you can add or assign additional mouse button functions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.